Why should they allow Fulani from foreign lands to come into Nigeria? Maybe they come disturb us. No country will allow that kind of a thing. But here in Nigeria, we allow it. And those people, they are Fulani people. And that is why they believe that they can go anywhere and enter. But it is only in Nigeria. You cannot go to Ghana and enter like that. You can't go to South Africa and enter like that. You can't go to Kenya and enter like that, except you get paper. All this is what they do. The thing, they prove, say, what those Fulani people, where they here, where they no fit arrest them, where they talk, say they won't take over this land. Everything that them go, they lead, they do everything. Now him would they see. That is why would they complain, say, make a Oga on top. No just for the hands now. Make him say they talk about this thing. Make it they make effort. Say himself, he be our own Oga on top. Not be only Fulani people, they go talk. But if another person talks more, they go catch him. It's no balance now. That is the thing where would they talk with that now. They no catch Kanu, where they do iPod here. They catch him now. I think around the way run. If not now, they would not jail him. So why are they not arresting these people? Where they for forest? Air Force no day again. Soldier no day. Police no day. DSS no day. It never tell away they don't go for the one organization, say the Eastern Security Network. It's an illegal thing, and I support government to clamp down on them. But why should they clamp down on them alone? Why should they leave the Fulani people to be carrying AK-47, AK-49, and even more gun way down big pass, where soldiers say no the fee carry for this country, police no they carry, SS no they carry. Why should they allow them to be carrying this one, and they cannot go and carry Air Force, go for air, carry soldier, go for ground, carry police, go catch these people? Why should they do that only in South? That is injustice now. Now the thing where me they talk with that. Let it be justice. Let everybody be treated the same thing. The same way where they treat Kanu and iPod and Eastern Security Network. Let them treat the Fulani too now. Why are they leaving Fulani alone? They should go after them. They are all when they catch people now. Any offense they commit, they will say they should come and give them money. And now the Fulani people, they are saying they brought them from outside this country to do an election. And now that election has finished, they have not said they should settle them. So they should come and let these people settle these people so that we will remain here in Nigeria. Stay here, begin do our business. We can't do our business. The little one where you get, the people where be IDP, they can't chop them all. Everybody is just becoming poor. This thing can't be no good.